Alright, so we're going to do a little installation demonstration here. I'm doing this section that goes wraps all the way around and to the back. So basically what we need to do is we need to start kind of in the highest point of the whole house and then slope it, which everything's coming to this front corner and that part of the roof is sagging. So we want it to kind of flow all the way to this front corner. So I'm going to start here on the side and slope it around, and that's what this piece is right here. So we gotta go kind of quick here. I got my so basically what I do, you get the middle and kind of guess what your ladder, hopefully you're in the middle when you set it, but then you take that tab and you hook it. Then you slide it up. Underneath the shingles, underneath the flashing. Should have a screw ready. I'm holding it with my shoulder. That's good. So now we're going to slope it this way. So I'll just go to the end here. Sometimes I'd go in the middle, but I think I don't need to on this one. Nope, that's draining there just fine. Oh, just barely touching that line right there. Hopefully you can see that. Good. Right here we're caught. On this flashing. Come on, you fucker. Okay. Alright, so this one I want to tuck it back behind that tab there. And then over here we got 2 layers of flashing. So I'm going to go just like that. Boom. Boom. Put a screw over here so it doesn't fall on me. Just go as high as it'll go. Okay, so I got 2 layers. Gotta go under one and over the other. So what I'll do is I'll get one right in this corner. Make sure it's tight right there. then I'll check it. And it's sloping this way a lot. So it's caught right there. There we go. All I can do is pick it up as high as it'll go. That's up as high as it'll go over there. So we'll just... And then I always pop a screw right above the outlet here. That's draining a lot this way. And this is just going that way, so we'll just flow it all around the corner. Okay. But alright, so this one we're gonna tuck back behind. There, shove it in, then tap that in. I don't have my hammer on me, so I just want that corner tight right there. And this one's back draining, so we're going to lower it just a tad. There we go. And I'm going to angle it this way to shove that in even more. There you go. See how tight that is, and then I'll put that together. It'll work great. Now this one here is a compound miter, but it's such a gradual slope that I'm going to I just cut out a regular miter. 90-degree miter. So you want that corner tight, and then we'll slope the next section here. Okay, that's up as high as it'll go, and it's sloping this way pretty good. So I'll just pop a screw in the end here. Like so. Now we just got this. Alright, so I got it. Yeah, I'll get that later, but yeah, it's just a little bit long. So I need to fill that gap there. So I'm going to go over here and tap on it with a hammer and see if I can slide it over. And then we'll be done with all these. About 15 minutes total it took. So, try this. There we go. Filled that gap right there, that corner. Perfect. Just need to cut